And then we're going to see if we have pass-through charging. So let's connect the iPhone. Oh, what is this? So we have pass-through charging. Okay. So we are actively charging this battery in here while we're charging our phone. So we're going to plug in the Google Pixel here, and it's the same situation. It says it's charging rapidly. Look at that. That's hella freaking awesome. And my phone went to 23. Dude, okay. Well, this just proved that this power bank is pretty awesome. What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And this is a super exciting video. So I tweeted a link to this because I wanted to do some more research about it later. And then I found it on Samsung's website. Best Buy did not have it available. It was not sure when it was going to be available. So I ordered it from Best Buy. And it arrived today. And yeah, I want to make a video on it. So this is the 10,000 milliamp hour, 25 watt power bank. Now, I did order the 45 watt as well. That package is preparing for shipment, so as soon as I receive it, I will be making a video because that supports 45 watt super fast charging 2.0 for your Samsung. Now, I didn't realize this was just the 10,000. I know I ordered both, but I thought the 45 watt was coming, but apparently that is delayed. But here we go. So input up to 9 volts at 2.77 amps. So we'll see how fast this thing can charge. And I maybe should wait for the 45 watt to arrive because I know that's going to be a lot more exciting for people. But at the end of the day, I have this right here, right now, and I want to make a video. So it comes with a cable as well. Ooh, it's a little short guy. I love it. If this isn't your first video, you know that I'm a fan of these little 1 foot cables. And that's actually not even 1 foot. So that's gotta be like a little bit more than half a foot. But that's nice and short. I like it. All right, so it comes with an instruction booklet. Wow, that is super light. And is that wireless charging? What? Okay, I'm just now seeing that it says wireless. I had no clue. Oh, it even shows you the result if you have 3 devices. And the wireless charging can do 7.5 watts. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even realize that. So it's a weird color. It's like I don't even know how to describe that. And there's a bunch of really fine print on the back of it with all of the safety listings. And then we have 2 USB-C, which is great. You love to see it. So you press a little button, you've got a little green light there, and then these 3 flash. So I'm guessing that other light there is going to be if you have wireless charging connected. All right, my phone says that it's charging wirelessly, and now that little light is red, and it has the 3 lights lit up there. And then on iPhone, it's the same thing. So we have wireless charging. It's not very fast, but hey, it's still wireless charging. If you forget to bring a cable with you, you still have a way to charge your phone. I cannot get over how light this little battery is. This is possibly one of the lightest batteries I think I've ever reviewed. So I would say about this size, like this Anker 10,000 here, is like 212 grams. Now this guy, okay, wow, I guess it's just the way that it's like long. I don't know, like more evenly spread, like there's more spread out weight. I have no idea. That just feels really, really light. But it does weigh 218 grams. Again, this weight is with that cable. This one has the cable attached to it. So what if we take this and the cable? Okay, so now we're looking at 224 watts. Grams, not watts. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and plug up our phone. Now I know I don't have a Samsung device, but I do have a Google Pixel, and it does use the PPS protocol. So as you'll see down there, it does do PPS. So our Google Pixel does indicate that it's charging rapidly and that it will be full in under an hour. We are currently at 50% battery, but hey, I'll take it. 25 watts to my Pixel 8 Pro. This is going to be one of the better battery banks I have in the 10,000 range. And this is really cool because you can stick this in your pocket like that, and there's just not much there. It's like essentially having two phones in your pocket at the same time. All right, but how fast can it charge a iPhone? Let's find that out. So it's using a fixed voltage of 5 volts and 3 amps, or up to, actually. No, it changed. It says 5 volts, but it says it's charging it. There we go. I got it to fix. So that's even more impressive because a lot of PPS power banks don't do the 9 volts 277 to equal 25. No, I've never seen a power bank do 2.77 amps on a fixed voltage. So with Anker, the highest I've ever seen is 9 volts at 2.22 amps to get 20 watts. So this power bank right now is shaping up to be the best choice for a 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Now, Anker does offer a 30 watt, and it will charge the iPhone 15 Pro Max at 27 watts. And that's going to be, this is all super interesting. So let's plug in this power bank. Okay, so this Anker 10,000 power bank is charging at up to 3 amps, 9 volts. So it can definitely do 27 watts to my 15 Pro Max if my battery was lower, as well as power delivery to charge up my Pixel 8 Pro at its full speed. So it's going to keep cranking up and get to about 28, 29 watts, which I've seen it do. And then I hope y'all follow me on my social media because this power bank right here was $35. I bought my wife a purple one, and then I bought a blue one as well because, man, these little things are so stinking cool. You can plug them right into the wall and charge them up in just 1 hour. You can plug the USB-C port into your laptop that's built in and charge it in, an hour or so. Or you can plug in a USB-C right there. So this thing is super freaking cool. And this also supports PPS. So it could charge up that Samsung at super fast charging or that Google Pixel at its full speed. And then if we plug this one into the iPhone, man, if y'all missed this for $35, y'all missed out on a hell of a steal, dude. I bought 2 more, so now I have 3 of these all together. $35 for this thing is just an incredible deal. So yeah, 9 volts, 3 amps. So that's going to get this phone up to 27 watts. But I know, this video is mainly about this power bank. I've just never seen something use 2.77 amps on a fixed voltage. So, hey, the fact that it can do 25 watts out to my phone is absolutely awesome. Whether it be a Google Pixel that uses PPS or a fixed voltage, or a Samsung device that only uses PPS. If you're not using PPS, then you're locked to 15 watts of charging. So this little guy is amazing if you have a Samsung or any other device out there. And then if you connect it to a tablet, it's going to charge that tablet at 25 watts as well. Alrighty then. That's pretty stinking awesome. All right, so we're getting 21 watts to our tablet. Now, let's connect to another device, and let's see how it slows things down. All right, yeah, so we're getting 8 watts to the tablet, and we're getting 8 watts to the phone. So you can charge 2 devices at once if you needed to, but you're going to get a much faster charge if you just charge one thing, obviously. All right, and then for our last demonstration, I want to show what this thing can do as far as charging goes. So that's a good look right there. That's a really good look. So we can do 20 watts right now. It says it can max out at 9 volts, 3 amps, but that's hearsay. But that's still pretty cool though. I mean, charging at 20 watts is pretty decent. The only nitpick I really do have is the fact that this power bank from Anker can charge at 30 watts. This little guy with the neat screen, it tells you it's fixing to be fully charged in 16 minutes. Or this guy that's currently $35 on Amazon right now. So similar situation here. Both of these Anker power banks are going to charge faster. And this one's got the convenience of having a plug built in, but no wireless charging built in. All right, and then for the last test, we're going to plug in USB-C. You can see that it's charging at 20 watts. Now, to be fair, this battery is almost full, so it could be that it's charging a little bit slower because of that, but I highly doubt it. And then we're going to see if we have pass-through charging. So let's connect the iPhone. Oh, what is this? So we have pass-through charging. Okay. The power bank's charging at 15 watts from the wall. Oh no, it got up to 20. It got up to 20. And this is the wall outlet. We're using a 45 watt charger here. So it shows 20 as well. So the power bank's charging at 20 and the phone's charging at 16 and the little light is flashing going up. So we are actively charging this battery in here while we're charging our phone. So we're going to plug in the Google Pixel here and it's the same situation. It says it's charging rapidly. It's getting 19 watts, 20 watts. And this is that just went up to 26. Look at that. That's hella freaking awesome. And my phone went to 23. Dude, okay. Well, this just proved that this power bank is pretty awesome. Now, let's just throw one more little curveball and see about wireless. Oh, it might have tried to connect to wireless. No shot. Y'all, that is freaking charging. Look at that. And we're still charging the phone with about 13 watts, and we're putting 23 into the power bank. And we're drawing almost 28 from the wall. Okay, that's actually pretty freaking crazy. So all I need is one outlet, and I can have one phone charging, and then I can have earbuds or another phone charging through wireless. And I just need one port for that. All right, well, hopefully this video helped you make a decision and answered any questions that you may have had. I'm excited to try the 45 watt power bank when that arrives. And I will make a video immediately after receiving it because it has twice the capacity as this guy and it charges at 45 versus 25. And it has 3 USB-C. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This is What Would Josh Do? And I'm out.